And if you enjoy psychological thrillers that keep you on the edge from start to finish, this is your movie. The original ending was so dark that it was changed for the US release. Fans still debate which version is better. This claustrophobic setup heightens the tension, making every second unbearable. Ever wondered what it's like to fight for your life against nature, monster, or even your own mind? By the end of this video, you will discover 9 survival horror films that will not only test your nerves but also challenge how you think about fear, resilience, and the fight to stay alive. Plus, you will hear some shocking behind the scenes stories that make these movies even more unforgettable. Lucy, along with her friend Anna, linked by a tragic past, uncovers a secret society that uses extreme torture to test the limits of the human spirit. This film was so controversial, it caused a massive debate on whether it's art or just exploitation. Some countries even banned it. Directed by a French filmmaker known for his brutal yet thought-provoking style, recently he directed Incident in a Ghostland, another film that left audiences disturbed and divided. If you love psychological horror, Martyrs is for you. 3 friends are trapped on a ski lift high above the ground after the ski resort closes unexpectedly and the ski resort eerily shuts down for an entire week. Marooned in the biting cold with no rescue in sight, they are forced to confront their most primal fears. With each passing hour, the merciless elements threaten to claim their lives, pushing them to the brink of despair and forcing them to contemplate unimaginable choices to survive the icy grip of death. Frozen, directed by Adam Green, is an under-the-radar gem. The film was shot in near-zero temperatures and the cast endured real-life cold conditions to enhance authenticity. A father and his young son journey across a post-apocalyptic landscape. The world they traverse is bleak and barren, stripped of civilization and filled with ash. As they travel towards the coast, hoping to find a better life, the father teaches his son survival skills and the importance of maintaining their moral compass despite the surrounding chaos. The journey is marked by moments of terror, bonding, and the unyielding hope of finding a safe place. Directed by John Hillcoat, The Road is based on the Pulitzer Prize-winning novel by Cormac McCarthy. Hillcoat is a master of gritty post-apocalyptic storytelling, also known for Lawless and 999. Viggo Mortensen, known for The Lord of Rings, gives one of his most emotional performances. Cody Smith McPhee, who later starred in X-Men Apocalypse, is equally compelling as his son. The film stayed true to McCarthy's novel, with the author himself praising the adaptation. This one's for those who enjoy deeply emotional survival stories with a heavy dose of realism. Adventurer Aaron Ralston embarks on a solo hiking trip in Utah's Canyonlands National Park. While exploring a remote canyon, a boulder falls and traps his arm against the canyon wall. Alone and with limited resources, Aaron spends the next 5 days struggling to survive. He reflects on his life, dreams, and relationships while trying to free himself. Facing a life or death situation, the film is a gripping tale of survival and the incredible will to live. Danny Boyle, the Oscar-winning director of Slumdog Millionaire, brings his kinetic style to 127 Hours. His latest project, Pistol, a mini-series about the Sex Pistols, has also garnered critical acclaim. James Franco delivers a career-best performance as Aaron Ralston, capturing every ounce of his desperation and determination. Franco stayed in the same position for hours while shooting to mimic Ralston's real-life experience of being trapped. If you're inspired by stories of human resilience and love edge-of-the-seat thrills, this one's a must-watch. Hugh Glass, a frontiersman on a fur trading expedition, is brutally attacked by a bear and left for dead by his own hunting team. Stranded in the harsh wilderness, Glass must navigate a vicious winter and hostile terrain to survive and seek vengeance on John Fitzgerald, the former confidant who betrayed and abandoned him. Driven by sheer will and love for his family, Glass endures unimaginable grief and physical torment on his long journey back to civilization. The film is a raw and epic tale on survival and redemption. Alejandro Gonzalez, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right, but he's known for Birdman and Babel. He directed the survival epic with stunning visuals and raw intensity. He recently made waves with Bardo and another deeply personal film. Leonardo DiCaprio's Oscar-winning performance is unforgettable and Tom Hardy's turn as the antagonist is equally brilliant. A little fact that not many people know about this film is that the film was shot entirely with natural light, making production incredibly challenging but visually breathtaking. Fans of epic survival tales and jaw-dropping cinematography will be captivated. A group of oil workers led by a skilled huntsman named Otway survive a plane crash in the Alaskan wilderness. As they navigate the harsh, snowy landscape, they are relentlessly pursued by a pack of wolves. The film focuses on Otway as he struggles to lead the survivors towards safety while battling both the elements and the wolves. The men are pushed to their physical and emotional limits as they confront their own mortality. This film is a tense survival thriller about man's primal fight for life against the unforgiving forces of nature. Joe Carnahan, known for action films like The A-Team, directs this survival thriller with unexpected depth. Recently, he's been in the spotlight for his work on Boss Level, a time loop action film. Liam Neeson delivers a powerhouse performance, reminding us why he's the king of intense dramas. The actors are trained with survival experts to make their performances as realistic as possible. A civilian truck driver in Iraq wakes up to find himself buried alive in a wooden coffin with only a lighter and a cell phone at his disposal. Paul faces a race against time. He struggles to piece together what happened while contending with limited air and growing terror of his claustrophobic predicament. This is a gripping psychological thriller that explores the intense desperation and isolation of a single character confined in a dire situation. Buried is a masterclass in minimalistic filmmaking, directed by Rodrigo Cortés. While he hasn't released many big projects recently, his work on Red Light, starring Robert De Niro, showcases his ability to keep tension high in confined settings. The film's success rides entirely on Ryan Reynolds, who gives an extraordinary performance that's worlds apart from his comedic roles in Deadpool or Free Guy. His portrayal of a man trapped in a coffin is nothing short of brilliant. The entire film takes place in a coffin, one location, and was shot in only 17 days. This claustrophobic setup heightens the tension, making every second unbearable. And if you enjoy psychological thrillers that keep you on the edge from start to finish, this is your movie. A group of women embark on a spelunking adventure in an uncharted cave system. As they delve deeply, they encounter a series of tragic accidents and unsettling discoveries. Their situation becomes dire when they realize they are not all alone. Lurking in the shadows are predator creatures adapted to the underground darkness. Trapped and surrounded, the group must fight for survival against the creatures while also confronting their own personal fears and the fraying bonds among them. The Descent is a tense and claustrophobic horror film that combines elements of survival thriller with chilling monster horror. The Descent, directed by Neil Marshall, is a benchmark in modern horror. Marshall is also known for Dog Soldiers and his work on Game of Thrones, including the iconic Blackwater episode. His knack for tension and action is on full display here. The original ending was so dark that it was changed for the US release. Fans still debate which version is better. A punk rock band, after witnessing a murder at a remote bar in the Pacific Northwest, finds themselves trapped in a greenhouse. They soon realize that the bar is run by violent white supremacists who are determined to eliminate all witnesses. As the band members barricade themselves, they are forced into a desperate fight for survival against the club's owner and his henchmen. Green Room is a gritty, intense thriller that combines elements of horror and siege cinema, showcasing a brutal struggle of survival where every moment is a fight for life. If you love unflinching, edge-of-your-seat thrillers with high stakes and gritty realism, The Green Room is for you. Which of these films will you dare to watch first, or have you braved them all? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this countdown kept you on the edge, hit the like button and subscribe for more thrilling lists. Don't miss our upcoming video on Robert Eggers' Nosferatu. Until then, stay vigilant and maybe keep a light on tonight. Bye.